Discover this charming house nestled on three private lots with creek frontage and outdoor fun. From the moment you arrive, the wide, covered back porch welcomes you, offering the perfect spot to relax, enjoy the serene creek views, and soak in the natural surroundings. The fenced yard ensures safety for pets and creates space for entertaining, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Creek frontage adds a tranquil backdrop, making every moment spent outside feel connected to nature. Inside, the home features a flexible layout with two distinct living areas. The main level includes a spacious living room with a stunning stone fireplace, a gallery-style kitchen with ample cabinet space and a pantry, and a dining area perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Three bedrooms are located on the main level, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet, half bath, and direct access to the back porch. The finished basement provides additional living space, complete with a kitchenette, living room, bedroom, and full bathroom featuring a soaking tub and shower. This space is ideal for multi-generational living, guests, or creating a private retreat, offering comfort and flexibility without sacrificing connection to the rest of the home. A bright sunroom with access to the fenced yard provides an ideal space for pets, plants, or enjoying natural light throughout the day. Abundant storage throughout the house ensures everything has its place, and appliances in both kitchens convey with the property, making it move-in ready for the new owners. This North Carolina house perfectly combines charm, functionality, and outdoor appeal. From creekside mornings to cozy evenings by the fireplace, every detail has been thoughtfully designed to support a lifestyle of comfort, privacy, and relaxation in a serene and versatile setting.